Did you know that in 2023 alone, thousands of investors lost millions of dollars buying fake gold bars that looked 100% real? Everyone tells you gold is the safest investment, but they don't tell you that the gold market is a minefield of tungsten counterfeits, hidden premiums, and predatory dealers. If you walk into a gold shop without knowledge, you are not an investor, you are a victim. In this masterclass, I'm going to reveal the Gold Standard Checklist. It is the exact vetting process used by professional bullion traders to guarantee purity and get the lowest price every single time. Let's begin.
Welcome back. The problem we all face isn't buying gold, it's buying gold correctly. You are scared of paying too much, premiums, or getting scammed. This fear keeps your money rotting in the bank. So in today's video, we're building the Bullion Blueprint. This map has 3 phases: the product, the dealer, and the storage. If you miss the second part about the spread, you will lose money the second you buy. Stay until the end for a 24-hour challenge that will help you buy your first gram safely. Let's start with Phase 1, the mindset shift. Gold is not an investment like stocks. It doesn't pay dividends, it doesn't grow. Gold is insurance. It is wealth insurance. When the dollar collapses, gold stands tall. If you buy gold hoping to get rich quick, you will be disappointed. But if you buy it to preserve your purchasing power for 30 years, you will win. This mindset shift stops you from panic selling when the price drops 5% next week. But wait a moment. Here is the trap. 90% of beginners buy jewelry or numismatic coins, collectible coins, thinking it's an investment. Wrong. Jewelry has a 300% markup for craftsmanship. Collectible coins have a speculative value. If you want to invest, you buy bullion, bars, and standard coins, pure metal, nothing else. And before I show you exactly which brands to buy, if you are one of the 1% who wants to build a fortress of wealth, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. We protect your money from bad advice. So, stick to the boring stuff, bars and rounds. Now, let's execute the purchase. Step 1. Know the spot price. This is the live market price of gold. Check websites like Kitco or JM Bullion. Never pay more than 5 to 8% over spot for coins or 2 to 4% for bars. Step 2. Choose a reputable dealer. Don't buy from eBay or Craigslist. Buy from APMEX, JM Bullion, or local coin shops with 5-star reviews. Step 3. Verify the brand. Buy recognized brands like PAMP Swiss, Valcambi, or Royal Canadian Mint. They come in Assay Cards, tamper-proof packaging. This makes them easy to sell later. The final enemy is theft. If you don't hold it, you don't own it. But if you hold it, you can lose it. You have 2 options. Home safe, a heavy, bolted-down floor safe. Do not tell anyone you have it, not even your friends. Bank safe deposit box. More secure, but you can't access it on weekends or during a bank crisis. Most experts recommend a mix or a private vault. Silence is your best security. So, gold is your anchor in a stormy economy. Buy it right, hold it tight. Here is your 24-hour challenge. Go to a website like JM Bullion or Kitco. Check the spot price of gold right now. Write it down. Then find a 1-ounce gold bar and calculate the premium, the difference between the price and the spot. If you do this, write Gold Hunter in the comments. Finally, if this video saved you from a bad deal, hit the like button to help us spread honest financial education. Share this with a friend who wants to buy gold. See you at the top. Peace.